Sinclair's new ZX Spectrum Action Pack has a powerful 128K home computer, a joystick, 6 very different games, and a deadly accurate light gun.
Keep on running, keep on hiding, keep on running, keep on hiding.
That'll keep those droids on the run. The new Sinclair Action Pack puts the zap back into computers.
Right, pay attention, Bond. This is the Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus 2. It's a fully operational computer with 128K memory, but it comes with 3 James Bond games and a light gun that fires armor-piercing shells. Now that's your assignment. No, don't sit in that chair. Sorry, Bond. Haven't perfected that yet. The Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus 2.
Welcome to Match Day, the exciting new soccer game from Ocean. Blistering 3D action for your Spectrum computer. It's a corner. Oh, there's a scramble and this could be trouble for the keeper. It's a goal. Develop your football skills against the computer or in a challenging knockout competition. And don't miss Ocean's other Christmas blockbusters. Chart-topping Daley Thompson's Decathlon and the spectacular mega venture Gift from the Gods. Ocean, top of the league for computer software.
The new Sinclair Plus 3 with built-in disk drive, £199. Sinclair Plus 2, £139. Both with free joystick and 6 free games.
Once upon a time, there were 3 bears.
The 3 bears lived in the wood.
Learning Box is a new exciting series of computer programs.
Kevin!
To help your child start reading and counting. Get your child ready for school with Learning Box.